So standard coordinate plane, one of the following these is an equation of a circle that can be inscribed within an ellipse, and the equation is given. So let's look at a little bit of concept. What is the general formula of an ellipse? There's a major axis and a minor axis. So what is given? Well, the lengths of the major axis are A, and here the minor axis is B. So the equation is x squared divided by A squared plus y squared divided by b squared equals 1, and x and y, of course, is a point on the ellipse. Okay, now this particular ellipse is centered at the origin, but if you have an ellipse that's not centered at the origin, this is the formula: x minus h squared divided by a squared plus y minus k squared divided by b squared equals 1. It's centered at hk, the point. Okay, so the first thing we are going to do is we are going to write the equation of our equation and compare it to the ellipse's general ellipse formula. Okay, so we have 4x squared plus 9y squared is 36. We want to bring it into this form, equals 1. So we're going to divide everything by 36. Okay, all of it by 36. So the first term, this, and then of course the third term. So this will cancel the 36 off and equals 1. That's what we want for the generalized formula. So 4 goes into 36 9 times, 9 goes into 36 4 times. Now we have x squared by 9 plus y squared by 4 equals 1. So now we can see our ellipse. This would be a squared, so that's 3 squared, and this would be 2 squared, that is 4. So the major axis lengths are 3 and 3, and the minor axis are 2 and 2. Okay, so we can write it in this form now, equals 1. All right, so that 3 is the A here and 2 is the B term. Now let's go ahead and inscribe a circle within that ellipse as indicated in the problem. So the radius of the circle, as you can see, is the length of this minor axis. So 2 is the radius. So the equation of a generalized equation circle is x squared plus y squared is r squared. That is centered at the center. Okay, so in this case we have x squared plus y squared is r squared. R is 2 because we inscribed it here. It goes all the way up to the end of this ellipse, so it's 2. So 2 squared, that is 4. So that is represented by choice H, x squared plus y squared equals 4. And that is the final answer. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye.